channel. In this video, I will share with you how to Ctrl C and Ctrl V on a Mac. And by Ctrl C or the Ctrl C shortcut is a known shortcut for Windows to copy, and the Ctrl V on a Windows or a computer, yes, a Windows laptop or computer, it is known to paste. So the C and V are the same on between a Mac and a MacBook. The only difference is the control button. On a MacBook, instead of hitting the control button, you should replace it with command. Command button is next to the space button on your keyboard. So for example, if I open if I select this video and I hit Command C, now this video is copied. If I hit Command V, the video is duplicated, or I have this new copy of the same video. Let's repeat it. For example, for this VLC shortcut, Command C, it will copy it, and Command V will paste it. And this is how to Ctrl C and Ctrl V on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.